Hello everybody, and I have something to show you. I want to do this again because I want to show you about the history about this place. This is the Courthouse Car Wash in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and we're going to get their works wash for $14, and it looks like they may still have the Airstream dryer. Oh my gosh, is that the same man?
Guy. Yeah.
Guys, it's the same person.
Don't say too much, but we have to pay him. Actually, just give him the full 20 and, for the tip. Sorry, I'm talking.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. Well guys, we're going to just keep the video like this. We're in the Courthouse Car Wash. My mom took off my mask. Oh, this is awesome, guys. I did see some flexi pipes on the ends, guys, which means there might be the Airstream dryers. This is a vintage 1970s, if I'm not mistaken, Bellinger tunnel. I believe that I saw that, you know, there was a video 10 years from now about this place, and it looks like it had blue cloth back then. So I think what it is basically the black cloth here is newer. Then you got the old Bellinger brushes. I will do my best to be quiet for the school bell, by the way, which I still don't know where that bell is. I remember this light here, by the way. That's really cool. So we got a coupon here. We got a vacuum token. And we got a chamois. And yes, in case you guys are wondering, and he's wondering, my car's in neutral, ready for the conveyor to push us through. Oh my gosh, guys, the front, I never saw this before. There are 2 sets of rocker brushes on this, within this cloth here. I've never seen that, and that is awesome. Now, I know we've done this before, but I figured, you know, we got to see this place enough before they ever replace this system. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. I'm in the driver's seat now, and I'm in my Nissan Rogue that I use. So let's see how the Bellinger Airstream dryers will do. Yes, I did say it, guys. If they still drop.
He's super nice. He's really cleaning our tires.
There's a Frigidaire air conditioner. So that's the office right there for the man. Look at this, guys. Does the dryer need to be up? Look at that. That's very helpful for everybody here. That is interesting, guys. There's the cashier thing inside the wall. LOL. I think that's funny. So in there is the person. I don't have a camera this time. You guys will probably hear the wonderful startup, because this place has the best startup for the Airstream dryer, because there is a gap in between from the flapping and the other stuff. Here we go, everybody. You're welcome. Happy holidays! Alright, I hear the conveyor. I'll let it push. And the pre-soak and the beautiful Bellinger cloth. Again, here's this part. I'm still with my mom, in which she has seen this dryer before, but this dryer, I gotta say, is about a century old. Here's the double rocker panel brushes, in which that one, oh, it is working down below though. That's cool. I'll probably show more of the side brushes this time. These brushes are really fast. Here's the other brush here. That's just the cloth hitting the other part. So here's the little light. There it is. That's how it works. That's awesome. The old four dryer side to side mirror. Really nice. I like this setup. What I saw here is the rust inhibitor. All right, ready? Gonna be quiet now. Here comes the Airstream dryer. Well, it looks like they're not going to drop this time, but that's okay, because hopefully, just like the other car washes that we got, this dryer aren't going to stop in the middle. I still really like this setup, because everything is working quite fine. I do understand, guys, you know, it's... You see, we're going through the dryer well. I love that. And I'll take a picture for all of you because we're going to get to the vacuum. So good thing I kind of checked this again. Yeah, you see the dryer, it looks like, I guess he kept it. Careful. Yeah, no, don't worry. Yeah, he kept the dryer off, from dropping, but that's all right, guys. Probably safety concerns. So I guess I'll stop here and end the video. And then when this Nissan Armada, whatever, moves, then we'll be fine. We'll use the chamois this time, I guess. It's still a beautiful car wash, though, guys. Please understand that. Alright, gonna park. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. And peace out, y'all. So I have an update for you all. Here is something to the reason why. Do you guys remember when I showed you that computer that had the sticky thing said, does the dryer need to be up? Well, it needed to be. This is what I have on top of my car. In addition, I have this antenna. The dryer would have probably caused a little bit of damage to this roof load, this roof thing that I have. Therefore, the man pressed the dryer up button, which was option 11 on that computer, to keep the dryer from dropping, so I could safely go through them. I just want to let you guys know as an update that those Bellinger dryers will probably still be there for a long time. What clever stuff, eh? I think it's the coolest vintage dryer ever then. If it still can be controlled like that. You gotta tell you, Courthouse Car Wash in Fredericksburg, Virginia. If you are in that location, I totally recommend to go there. Best car wash. This is Ashburn, Virginia. And local car washes, and they're okay. Courthouse, please, I recommend. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching. Peace out, y'all.